Imagine enjoying the peace of nature, miles from anyone, when suddenly you find yourself face to face with a massive bear. That heart-stopping moment is exactly what hikers hope to avoid, and there is one simple, proactive step that can dramatically reduce your chances of a surprise encounter. Making noise while hiking helps prevent bear encounters by alerting these powerful animals to your presence long before you get too close. This allows them to naturally move away from the trail and avoid a confrontation, which is exactly what they prefer to do. Bears, whether they are black bears, grizzly bears, or polar bears, generally do not want to interact with humans. They possess an incredibly keen sense of smell, excellent hearing, and surprisingly good eyesight at close range, but their vision can be less acute for distant, stationary objects. A sudden, unexpected appearance by a human can startle a bear, leading to a defensive reaction, especially if cubs or a food source are involved. By making noise, you are essentially activating their superior hearing and giving them an advance warning, ensuring they have ample time to vacate the area. This is why a quiet approach can be much more dangerous than a noisy one. To effectively use noise as a prevention tool, aim for consistent and conversational sounds. Talk loudly with your hiking partners, or if you are alone, sing, clap periodically, or call out regularly with a loud voice, perhaps saying, "Hey bear." The goal is not to scream but to create a steady human presence through sound. Some hikers use bear bells, but their jingle is often too subtle and does not carry far enough to be truly effective in dense foliage or alongside rushing water. Human voices tend to travel much better and are more clearly recognized by bears as a human signature, which they typically want to avoid. An interesting detail about this strategy is that bears can often differentiate between natural sounds and human-made ones, especially voices. While a snapping twig or a rustling bush might be part of their natural soundscape, the distinct patterns of human speech or singing signal an approaching person. This allows them to make a conscious decision to move away from your path, maintaining the peace for both you and them. This proactive communication works because bears are usually more concerned with avoiding conflict than initiating it. Making your presence known is a sign of respect and prevention. Ultimately, integrating regular noise into your hiking routine transforms you from a potential surprise threat into a predictable and avoidable entity for local wildlife. This simple action not only minimizes the risk of startling a bear and triggering a defensive response, but it also allows these magnificent creatures to continue their lives undisturbed. It creates a safer, more respectful, and more enjoyable experience for everyone sharing the wild spaces.